Every wound tells a story of healing, resilience, and the fight against infection. As a healthcare professional, you're at the heart of that fight. With Ion Gel ZCM-25, you're not just treating wounds, you're leading a revolution in care. Precision is everything in wound care. Here's a real case to show you how to apply Ion Gel ZCM-25 properly, ensuring the best possible results for healing and protection. With surgical gloves, apply a thin 0.5 mm layer of Ion Gel ZCM-25, 10 mm away from the edge of an open wound or directly over scabbed wounds, and allow it to absorb naturally within 2 minutes. As the gel absorbs into the skin, zinc gets to work by calming inflammation, magnesium helps soothe and repair damaged tissue, and copper strengthens healing by boosting collagen and fighting infection. All seamlessly working together to speed up recovery and protect against infections. With Ion Gel ZCM-25, you're not just treating wounds, you're redefining recovery. Deliver faster healing, stronger protection, and better outcomes every time. Visit ZCM25.com for more information on our clinical studies. Empower your practice. The future of wound care is in your hands.